Hello everyone, this is our session number 2 of lesson number 2. In this session I'm going to cover the remaining features of Windows operating system. In last session we learned what a few features of what a Windows operating system. Also we learned what is Windows operating system, what is operating system, and examples of what a operating system. Now let's see what is next feature of Windows operating system, that is the cascading windows. Is a type of what arrangement to arrange what the windows that we open or that you open, okay. And cascading is a type of what arrangement. Total three types of arrangements are there to arrange what the windows which opened by the user, okay. And cascading is one of them. It will help you to arrange windows in a cascade form, like in form of queue, okay. That means one after one it will show, or one after one it will view the windows, okay, which you open. Let's see how to show those windows in cascade form. If you want to show those windows in cascade form, then you have to right click on what a taskbar. When you right click on taskbar, you will see your cascade windows. When you click on it, it will arrange windows in cascade. Like see, this is on queue, and one after one it will arrange those windows, okay. Then this after on next is quick launch bar. Actually is a part of what a taskbar. Before learn quick launch bar, let's see first what is taskbar. Actually is on a strip which is located at the bottom of the screen, or which is located at the bottom of the desktop, is a part of the desktop, okay. And it hold what the different parts like start button, quick launch bar, notification area, show desktop. What these are the parts of what a taskbar, okay. Now let's see the first part of taskbar, that is quick access, quick launch bar. Quick launch bar will help you to launch any program, okay, with a single click. You not need to follow more than one steps, okay, to open. I do not need to follow what multiple steps to open what any particular program. Means a program which you require regularly, you can pin this program in a quick launch bar. It will help you to open quickly, okay. Like here we have what the programs which are pinned in a quick launch bar, and whenever I want, I can open these programs quickly, okay. If you want to add any particular program in a quick launch bar, you can add those programs, or you can add that program in quick launch bar. How to add? You have to go to the start button, will open start menu and program which you record regularly. Right click on it, then go to pin to taskbar. When you click to pin to taskbar, this program you will see on quick launch bar on taskbar, okay. So these are the steps. If you don't want this program here, that means hereafter you're not going to open that program regularly. Whenever you want, whenever it is required, you're going to open it. Then you can remove. There's no any use of what this program in a quick launch bar. You have to right click on it. When you right click on it, you will see here what the options in which you have to select to unpin this program from the taskbar. When you click on it, it will remove this program, not permanently, temporarily from quick launch bar. Whenever you want it again, you can pin it again. Then let's see what is the next one. The next one is a start button. Let's see what is the use of start button. Start button is another part of what a taskbar, and this part of taskbar is used to open the programs, okay, which are installed by the user, okay. And it will show the recently opened program in its menu, that is called what a recent list, okay. And you can see here this start button, okay. This is what a start button. When you click on it, it will open a start menu which is divided in two parts. This is right panel, okay, and this is left panel. Left panel will show what the programs recently opened by the user, okay, and the right panel will show what the standard libraries, okay, which are created by the system, or these are what a default. Also start button is used to turn off your system. That means you're going to close your system, then you can use, or you can take help of what a start button. Simply you have to click on a start button, it will open a start menu and you have to call what a shutdown option. When you call shutdown, it will turn off your system. With a shutdown, you will get here some other options. What these are: sleep, hibernate, and log off. Now let's see what is the use of sleep. Sleep is used to put a system on a low power mode or low power state. That means it will consume less electricity. Okay. Next one, that is hibernate, is combination of water, sleep, and a shutdown. That means it will turn off your system, but it will create what a restore point. That means when you will run your system again, or when you will start your system again, then you will see what the previous state of your desktop. Okay, that means it will not close the applications, okay, with which you worked. Okay, so this is called what a hibernate mode. It will create a restore point and it will restore what the previous session. Okay, then next one, that is log off. Log off, it is similar to switch user. It will switch to what the login window, okay, where you will see what the different user accounts. But before switch to any login window, or before switch to login window, first it will end the session of what that user. That means whatever different applications are opened by user, those applications will be closed after call the log off. Okay, and then it will switch to what a login window. So this is about what the options which are provided by the start menu to work with the Windows operating system, or to work with the operating system. Okay, then what is next? That is notification area. Is a part of what or is a part of what the taskbar, and here you will get what the notification details. Like if there is an update, you will get here notification. You can check here what the date and time. Okay, actually date and time, this is part of what a system tray. Okay, you will get here what the daily updates of your system. Then this after the next one, you can get here what the details of your volume control and network status. Okay, this is about what the notification area, and where it is located. It is located to the right side of the taskbar. That means it is located to the bottom right side of the desktop. Okay, on taskbar. Then this after the next one, that is show desktop button, which is located next to the notification area or system tray. That means you want to show the desktop, simply you have to place a mouse pointer on it. It will switch to desktop. That means it will not close, or it will not minimize the applications what you opened or with which you are working. Simply it will show what the desktop, okay, and icons present on desktop. If you want to show what the application with which you are working, you have to simply remove the place. You have to come out from that area. Okay, you have to release what that area to show what the applications or windows with which you are working. Now next one is shortcut menu. Shortcut menu, you want to show shortcut menu, you have to press the right button of the mouse. When you press it, you will see here shortcut menu. Sometimes it is called context menu or pop-up menu, and it is used to display the options related to that program. Like if you are working with any file or folder, and when you right click on it, you will see here called copy, paste, rename, and all the options. Okay, so what these are the options which are related to that program, and for every program you will get same options or different options. Okay, it's depending on what the program on which you clicked what a right button of what a mouse. After shortcut menu, our next point is files and folders. Files and folders play a very important role in operating system to organize the information in a systematic manner. Okay, now let's see what is file. File is a collection of information, and it can be stored in hard disk, in pen drive, in CD, or in DVD. It comes in different format. It can be image file, it can be audio file, it can be video file, or it can be document file. So what these are the different forms, or these are the different types of what a file. Okay, and generally file is used to store information. Okay, it can be in text form, it can be in a audio form, it can be in a video form, it can be any pictorial form. So it is about what the file. Okay, and file has what a file format. Okay, and that format is separated with the period operator or with the dot operator. Okay, that means file has a name which is divided in two parts. First one, a name of that file, and second part is called the file format. Sometimes it is called what the extension, and which is separated by the dot operator or a period operator, like document1 dot docx. Okay, then image1 dot .jpg. So .docx, .jpg, what these are the file formats, okay, and file formats are there only for files, not to folders. Now let's see some examples. Here we have a paint file, that means it is called picture file. Notepad file, this is called text file. Word file, this is also text file, that means word file. And notepad file is used to store information in form of text, and paint file is used to store information or to store what the data in form of what pictures, okay. After file, our next point is a folder. So let's see what is folder. Folder is similar to a container. It is used to contain files, folders and programs, okay. It has a name. There is no any extension for folder because it is a container, and this is used to organize files, folders and programs in a computer. Here we have some examples of folders, okay, and you can create your own folder to organize what files, folders and programs, okay. So this is folder, and here we have a name for folder, okay. Now let's see what is the next point. Our next point is creating folders. So let's see how to create a folder. Before that, let's see one more concept which is not given here. What is that? What is subfolder? Subfolder means what? When we create a folder in another folder, that is called what? A subfolder. Means here folder is created in another folder, and that is called what? A subfolder, okay. That means folder within a folder is called subfolder. This is about what? A subfolder. I hope you all understand what is subfolder now. Now what is our next point? Our next point is creating folder. Let's see how to create folder. If you want to create a folder on desktop or anywhere, then you have to follow some steps. What these are? First, we have to right click anywhere on desktop. You should not right click on what? The icons, okay, or when you click on icon you will get different options, okay. You will not see a new in context menu or in pop-up menu. So you have to right click on what? Desktop background, anywhere, not on icon. So let's see how to create new folder on desktop. So first we have to right click on desktop, right click on desktop, then click to new, okay, then click to folder. Here we have a new folder. You have to assign a name to this folder. You have to assign here any valid name to this folder. So write folder name, then press enter. Now here we have a new folder. Folder has created on desktop, okay. You can create folder anywhere, not only desktop, in any drive, in another folder also, okay. Now let's see how to create subfolder. We have here folder with which name? Holiday name. Simply we have to open this folder to create a subfolder, okay. So right click on this folder, click to open. When you click to open, will open what? A Windows Explorer, or will open what? The Windows Explorer for Holiday folder. Now we have to create a subfolder. So what is subfolder? The process of creating folder in another folder is called subfolder. Already here we open Holiday folder. Holiday folder is located on desktop, okay, and that is open now. In this we have to create about one folder, okay. Which folder? Subfolder. We have to create a subfolder for what? Holiday. Now right click on what? Work area. When you right click on work area, you have to call a new option from context menu, then go to folder. You can see other options are there. These options are used to create what? The files. Now we have to create what? A folder. So click to folder, enter folder name and press enter. Now new folder name has assigned. What is that? Is Kaggle, okay. I hope you all understand how to create subfolder and folder. So what these are the steps to create new folder. How to create new folder? To create a new folder, right click on desktop, then click to new option, select folder, enter folder name, press enter. It will create what? A new folder for you on desktop, okay. So these are the steps to create a new folder. I hope you all understand how to create new folder. Enough for today. We'll see how to create file and how to open folder in next session.